Hey, what's up, happy people? Duckman fixing to cook him up just a little old Sunday dinner. Chicken thighs, marinated in Worcestershire, soy, white wine, Italian dressing, balsamic vinegar dressing. Got some really good cooked homemade pot of green split pea soup, ham, taters, carrots, some good old Brussels sprouts. Boil them up, put some butter on them, a little bit of Old Bay, some more of them chicken breast, Old Bay garlic, and a little bit of barbecue seasoning. Going to have sweet taters. I'm going to be cooking up some more chicken gizzards, marinated in the Worcestershire, soy, white wine. Good stuff. Spray them in avocado oil. Make sure you use avocado oil. Olive oil can flame up. Safety tip from old Duckman. That on about 25, and then an air fryer about 390. Let her rip. Let her rip. Let's check the progress of them chicken thighs. Looking good. Oh, sorry about that. Them old Brussels sprouts be looking good. Green split pea soup's already ready. Clean up these sweet potatoes. Pop them in the microwave for about 15 minutes. You yardbird gizzards, just hang on. Duckman gonna get to you in a little bit. We're gonna go ahead and flip these beautiful thighs over. Be careful, people. Duckman's professional at this. I'm looking good. Paws in, they be looking really good. Season these up real quick. Some Old Bay. A little bit of our garlic powder. That'll about do it. That will about do it. Slide it back in there. Crank her back up. And these sweet taters. Show you what I'm doing with these sweet potatoes. I've rinsed them off, of course. You get the idea. No paper towel. Take them over to the old microwave. Put them in there. Let's set that timer for 15 minutes. Sweet potatoes going. Brussels sprouts just about done. Quick update. Oh yeah. Flip them bad boys. You gotta really watch them in this air fryer. It cooks quick. But these are big old thick thighs. They're gonna take a while to cook. Keep flipping them. Pay attention what you're doing. over here. I just flipped them 5 minutes ago. Boy, these things are getting almost done here. Look at that, beautiful. A little bit of their avocado oil. Oops. Check this. Oh, them old Brussels sprouts done. Got them puppies off. What's that? Texas made chatterbug. Alright, happy people. Finishing up things. There's the thighs. There's the green split pea soup. Brussels sprouts. Sweet potatoes. And I'm going in with the old chicken gizzards right now. Season these puppies up a little bit. A little bit of Old Bay. Gotta have Old Bay on everything. Garlic salt. A little splash of the old avocado cooking oil. Taking in the air fryer. I'm thinking about 15 minutes, 390. Let's get this party started. Like they're cooking pretty good tonight. This will make me start making me a plate. Yep. Happy people. Looks like him. Whoops. Looks like him Yardbird gizzards are ready. Looking good there. Alright, there's the finished product. Leg quarter, chicken gizzards, Brussels sprouts, sweet potato, Tabasco, chipotle hot sauce. And don't forget about the old Shiner box. Life be good at the Duckman's Life.